How to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your particular account. Now, when you navigate at the bottom of the screen, you will get bunch of options like maps, chats, search icon, friends, and spotlight. So in order to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat, you have to tap and hold on the chat icon and open the chat section of your Snapchat. So on the chat section of Snapchat at the top, you will see new snaps and chats, new snap seen by different kinds of Snapchatter on our Snapchat. Simply, you can easily open the particular snap that they have sent on your Snapchat and view them. For that, you can easily open any Snapchatter's profile in this way and you can view their snap sent on Snapchat. Here, you can also see the chats by opening their user ID of Snapchat. Once you open any one chat section, you will easily see all the snaps seen by this Snapchatter. You can easily tap to view, and once you view, you can easily close it in this way. So, in this way, we can easily know if someone only sent you a Snapchat on Snapchat. So, that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.